Hi guys, it's Miss Noble, and I am here to hopefully help you out by showing you how to attach some work or create some work in Google Classroom if you have done so outside of what is attached to your assignment. So here I am in Mrs. Richardson's class, and I had her add me as a student so that we could look at it from your guys' side of the classroom rather than the teacher side of the classroom. So I have an assignment over here that I made a copy or I actually created myself. So it says on here, if you've created a document or made a copy of a document. So I know that sometimes when you open up a document from Google Classroom, it says make a copy. You need to follow these directions. If you've opened up a document on Google Classroom and it lets you go ahead and do your work without making that copy, you should be just fine. But always make sure, and I'll show you how to do that. So this is my assignment that I need to make sure to turn in. I do not want to share it with my teacher. I will get it if you share it, but it makes it more difficult for me to grade. If you share it with me, then it goes into my shared drive and it is not attached to the assignment, so I have to go hunting for it. So first off, make sure that there is a title on your assignment. That way it's easy for you to find. Then make sure you complete the assignment here in the document. You always want to make sure that everything is completed according to the directions. Then we're going to go over here to the Google Classroom. We're going to go to our classwork. We're going to find the assignment. Now, this assignment doesn't actually follow what I need to do, but I'm going to attach it anyways. I'm going to click on View Assignment. Then if you notice up here in the right-hand corner, the top right-hand corner, it says Add or Create. I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to click on Google Drive since that's where my file is. And here I'm going to search for what I have. Now, if I just created it, it should be right here in this top part because it says Recent. And here it is, Noble Assignment. If I click on it, it says one is selected, and I click Insert. And you see it's starting to add it. And here it has my Google slide that I already completed from this assignment. Now, if I filled out my work on this slide, I would want to click on this and make sure that all the things I filled out are actually on this assignment and not in something that I saved to my drive. And then I'm going to click Turn In. So these are the attachments that I am submitting. And I'm going to click Turn In to make it ask me, are you sure? And so you're going to, yep, turn it in. And so now you see, one, I turned it in late since this was from last Monday. And it gives me the option if I want to unsubmit it. So if I do this and I see, oh, you know what? I didn't follow the directions, or this is not completed, so I need to complete it. Once I submit it, I can't edit it very well. So if I unsubmit it, I can then attach something else or finish it up. So I would need to unsubmit it so that I could attach something new. Otherwise, you won't be able to edit what you have submitted. So I have taken this and added it into this. The other option, I'm going to unsubmit this, is if you want to go directly from here rather than adding something from your Google Drive, is if you click on Add or Create and you create something from down here. You can create docs, slides, sheets, and drawings, and it will automatically attach from there, and then you can turn in. Hopefully, this helps you out by adding in your documents to your assignment rather than sharing it with your teacher. Again, you have questions, email your teacher, let me know. Hope you have a great day, guys.